I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
Yeah, education is key. And I do think it's important to do a deep dive. I mean, when I first invested, I didn't really understand Bitcoin. We were all in the same boat. We all have the same testimony. But after I started mining, whole new game, whole new understanding. It just opens up the door. So I encourage people, if you have some time to pick up a hobby miner, pick up a cheap miner, and you're not going to make money, but what you learn will be worth more than it costs you to run that miner, because it just teaches you so much about the producer economics of Bitcoin, and it's worth it. And the other thing I would say is that as far as the people go, there are a lot of great educators. There's a lot of great books out there, but I think the smartest economists in the world are Bitcoiners. The economists that are in Bitcoin should actually be on the governors of the Federal Reserve. They really should, because they understand what's going on, and they have opened their mind up to be able to listen to different ideas. And that's what's so important about the content you're going to be making, JD. It's going to open up that door and get people to ask those questions. So once they ask those questions, they'll go to the deeper levels. And once you get to the deeper levels, nothing can change your thesis. Nothing can change your understanding. And you've truly broken free from the matrix. A lot of people I talk to are like 1 foot in the bubble and 1 foot out. And they're like, they don't really know where to go. They don't really have that confidence that you see that Luke has, that says, listen, this is happening. Get on the train or get out of the way, because nothing's going to stop it. And education is what's going to get people on the train, rather than kind of being nervously backing away from it, thinking it's moving too fast. But getting into education, and I love Greg too. I recently saw him in Bitcoin Naples. For the kids. It's for the kids. I have 3 kids myself, and I try to teach them about Bitcoin, to save in Bitcoin, to understand those common principles. And especially here, I go back to collateral. But my daughter, I'm like, hey, can I borrow your phone? And I take her phone. I go, okay, I'll just keep it for the rest of the night. Wait, what's going on, Dad? Well, hey, you should have requested some form of collateral, something that you could have traded back. So there's so much room for educators to come in and find different ways to teach the kids, not only about the basics, but about the deeper levels of how this system works too.